Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify termination of your Shopify store. So, if Shopify has terminated your store, it's usually due to a violation of their policies. Here's how you can fix it. The number one way is checking your emails for detail. Shopify sends an email explaining why your store was terminated. Look for reasons like policy violations, chargebacks, or suspicious activities. Now, another way to fix this problem is contacting Shopify support. Go to Shopify Help Center, navigate to any new browser, type in Shopify Help Center. Now, click on help.shopify.com's Shopify Help Center link and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to basically explain your case and request a reconsideration. Simply type in this field your problem that your store has been terminated. Please reconsider this and help me get back to my store. So ask this assistant anything, click on the send icon and they will help you solve this problem. Now another way to fix this problem is resolving any policy violations. If your store was removed due to copyright infringement, prohibited products or spam, make necessary changes. Simply navigate to products and remove any banned products or misleading content before appealing for a reconsideration. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is verifying payment and ownership details. Ensure that your payment method is valid and your billing details match your identity. Click on settings at the bottom left, click on billing or payments and make sure that your payment method is valid and your billing details match your identity. Shopify may flag stores with suspicious transactions or high chargeback rates. Now, another way to fix this problem is opening a new Shopify store if needed. So, if your appeal is denied, you may need to start fresh. Use a new credentials and comply with Shopify's policies to avoid future termination. Simply navigate to new tab, type in open a new Shopify store, then proceed with opening a new store if none of the above steps work. So, always follow Shopify terms of service to prevent termination in the future. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.